Read a beautiful, enjoyable article by Shankar Sharma about the pricing of Lenskart's IPO. Well, कोई metrics नहीं चुनते हैं इस type के IPO pricing में. When we were taught financial markets, we had so many valuation metrics, price to earnings. Of course, everyone knows price to book. जब आपके balance sheet और आपके assets minus liabilities based on that. So there are so many other metrics, including replacement cost and so many for high capital investment businesses. What metric do you apply for startup valuations? Yes, they have pumped in thousands of crores to open stores, to do heavy discounting and promotions in online sales. Balance sheet काफी बड़ा है इनका because capital काफी raise कर चुके हैं. So should they be valuing it at price to book? But no, all these guys, it's a many time multiple of price to book. It may be 5 times, 8 times, 10 times. So that is the kind of money जितने पैसे डाले उसके इतने times पे ये value करके बेच रहे हैं. And the other risk is all these guys have an offer for sale component. Not all money is primary. Some money they raise primary because आगे भी कुछ साल तक cash burn है to fund that and to continue scaling. Yes, there is some primary, but a lot of these IPOs have a big secondary section. The early investors, the VCs and the founders are diluting and getting out some money. हालांकि थोड़ा बहुत marketing के समय, road show के समय, some of them like the recent Pine Labs and all have been forced by institutions to reduce the offer for sale section component. That being the case, the fanciful and artful, as Shankar Sharma put it, valuations of the startup IPOs continues. It's a party. Reasonably, SEBI put restrictions on the kind and the type of money which mutual funds can put in these IPOs because it's aware of this party going out of hand. But still, FIIs, although they are selling from secondary markets, they have put some money for flipping in IPOs. All this put together, it is rocking. Artful pricing is going on, and we have seen in past cycle जब इतना supply of paper आता है तो बाकी जो existing stocks से funding निकल जाता है, it exits those. That's why you're seeing so many mid cap values crashing. When will this come to a head? Too much art, too little science. Cocktail for disaster. This party may collapse.